Welcome to Saimaster Academy. We are discussing Maxima Minima. This is the third video. Already two videos we uploaded, and the third video in two videos. For each video, two questions. First video introduction. So it is better to learn from first video. First video నుంచి చూస్తేనే మీకు ఈజీగా అర్థమైతే అండ్ ఈజీగా ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ చేస్తున్నా. ఆల్ లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్స్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ ఓన్లీ 8 problems from Maxima Minima. 100% you will get one question for exam every year. See the question. Fifth question. If curved surface of right circular cylinder inscribed in a sphere of radius small r is maximum. So we have to show maximum. What maximum? Curved surface of right circular cylinder is telling that lies inscribed in a sphere diagram. For example, this is a sphere and this is a right circular cylinder. This is the center of the sphere. Is telling r is what? Radius of the sphere. So we can consider this is small r, since r is the radius of the sphere. For cylinder also we have radius, na? See, radius for down and up circles. Okay. This is clearly height of the cylinder. Okay, let this is height and this radius take as capital R. Capital R is the radius of the cylinder, small r is the radius of the sphere that is given in the question. Small r is the radius of the sphere given in the question. Is asking to prove that curved surface area of the cylinder, this one, curved surface area of the cylinder is maximum. That cylinder is inscribed in a sphere. That sphere radius is given smaller. And after proving that the curved surface area of the cylinder is maximum, he is asking to prove that the height of the cylinder h is equal to root 2 times of the small r, means radius of the sphere. That he is asking. Okay, we can prove and easily. The calculation little bit difficult. So see solution. Here we consider this height is small h and the radius of the cylinder is capital R, radius of the sphere given small r. Okay. Now we have to give the names for the vertices. This is O, na? And take this is A, take this is A, and this is B, and this is C, and this is D, this is E, this is F. Now what? OB is the radius of the sphere, AB is the radius of the cylinder, AC is the height of the cylinder, and OA is the half of the height of the cylinder. This also we required. Why? I will tell you. This is nothing but what? H by 2, half of the height. Now say from, just a minute. Yeah, from the diagram, this diagram formed from the question. So from the diagram I am writing, from diagram, what is given we have wrote in the diagram, na? O, center of sphere, center of sphere, okay, and OB is smaller, which is what? Radius of sphere, radius of sphere. AB is equal to capital R, which is what? Radius of cylinder, radius of right circular cylinder, and OA is nothing but h by 2, which is what? Half of the height of the cylinder, and AC is nothing but h what? Height of the cylinder, height of cylinder. Okay, these many we required enough. Why? Because if you observe, triangle OAB is right angle triangle, right angle triangle, right angle triangle. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, we can write what? Hypotenuse square OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. We can write OA square plus AB square. Then what is OB square? Small r square is equal to OA square h by 2 whole square. What is AB square? Capital R square. Just keep aside what we require. We can find h. If you need h, then take r square this side. If you need capital R, take this one this side, we will do later. Now come to the formula for curved surface area, that only the function. Curved surface area CSA is equal to, we have 2 pi radius of the cylinder. What is the radius of the cylinder? R. Height of the cylinder, which is nothing but h. Okay, but he is asking what? Show that the height of the cylinder is root 2r. We should convert r in terms of h only. And we need to prove what? Small r radius, which is having sphere, and the curved surface of the cylinder is maximum. So what I am finding here, we need capital R in terms of small r. That's why what I am doing, capital R square I am keeping this side only. This one I am taking right side. Then you will get small r square minus h by 2 whole square will be h square by 4. This you have to substitute in place of r. R is nothing but what you will get in terms of root. Na? That's why we can do one more step. For simplification, squaring on both sides we can do, and the function is considered that what you are doing squaring f of not x, sorry in terms of h we are doing, so which is equal to 2 square 4 pi square and r square and h square, which is equal to 4 pi square r square. Already we have what? Small r square h square by 4 into h square. Now simplification, f of h is equal to 4 pi square into r square into h square, 4 pi square r square h square minus 4 pi square into 4 cancel, 4 pi square h square by 4 into h square, 4 cancels. Now finally what you will get, 4 pi square r square h square minus pi square h power 4 is the function in terms of h. Derivation with respect to h, f dash of h is equal to 4 pi square r square is constant, 4 pi square r square, and h square will be 2h minus pi square constant h power 4 will be 4h cube. Okay, now we need to find f double dash of h also. Na? F double dash of h is equal to 4 pi square r square into 2h, derivation only 2 minus 4 pi square h cube, derivation 3h square. But we need to make equal to 0 of always f dash of x equal to 0. Na? From this f dash of h is equal to 0, that means what? 4 to ja, I am writing directly here, 4 to ja 8 pi square r square h minus pi square 4 h cube equal to 0. I am taking negative that side. 8 pi square r square h is equal to pi square 4 h cube. So here pi square cancel, and h also one time cancel, more 2 times left, black pen, 2 times left, and 4 1 ja 4 2 ja cancel, remaining here 2r square, here only h square, so h square is equal to 2r square, then h is equal to root over 2r square, but r square root will get cancelled, then h is equal to root 2, r is outside, h is equal to root 2, r is outside. So one of the proofs finished. We proved that height is nothing but equal to root 2r, but we didn't prove that curved surface area of the cylinder is maximum. Just we stopped at f double dash of h. We have to prove this is maximum, means less than 0. Just substitute h equal to root 2r in this f double dash of h. That is on the process now. So put in equation number 2, then what you will get? F double dash of h. I am writing here. See, f double dash of h means f double dash of h. H means what? Root 2r is equal to 4 to ja 8. Here also same, yeah. 8 pi square constant and r square. What is r? Okay, we need to find. Okay, we need to substitute here f double dash of h. Na, this one f double dash h. So we don't substitute. We don't need to substitute here. There is no h. Here we have h. We have to substitute here. So 4 to ja 8 pi square r square, 8 pi square r square, and minus 4 3 ja 12 pi square h square. H is root 2r. H square will be what? Just write here, and h square is equal to root 2 whole square 2, r square is r square. So h square equal to 2r square. 2r square. So finally you will get 8 pi square r square minus 12 to ja 24 pi square r square, which is equal to 8 minus 24 will be minus 16 pi square r square. minus 16 pi square r square, which is clearly less than 0. So f double dash of h is clearly less than 0. Therefore, the function f of x, that only this one, curved surface area, has maximum. We have to prove curved surface area of the cylinder has maximum. That only maximum. This is the one more very important question. Now go to next question. Find the absolute maximum and absolute minimum of the function on this interval. So for this, about this, I have to tell you something about absolute minimum, absolute maximum. Whatever it is given question like this, a function with boundary, till now it didn't have any boundaries for the previous questions also. సో ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పిన 5 క్వశ్చన్లకు బౌండరీస్ లేవు, ఇక్కడ బౌండరీ ఇచ్చాడు, ఫంక్షన్ ఇచ్చాడు, అబ్సల్యూట్ మినిమం అబ్సల్యూట్ మాక్సిమం అడుగుతుంది. The process is same. Find f dash of x. We no need to find f double dash of x. That's later we have to find. First we have to find f dash of x. Solution. F of x is given what? 8x cube, 81x square, 42x minus 8. First apply derivation. This is the same process like previous questions kada. Same చేద్దాం first. ఎక్కడ నుంచి చేంజ్ చేస్తే చెప్తాను. f dash of x is equal to 8 3 is 24x square. Plus 81 2 is 162x minus 42. This is what f dash of x one. Now to get the values of x, we have to, for maxima or minima, f dash of x is equal to 0 na. So 24x square minus 162x, sorry, plus 162x minus 42 equal to 0 we have to. And what we can take common? Can we take common 3? Yeah, 3 we can take common. Taking 3 common, 3 8 ja 24, 3 5 ja 15, and 3 4 ja 12, 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12 equal to 0. Again we can take more common, 2 common. We can take 2 common, 2 4 ja 2, 27 ja 27 2 ja 54 only, and 2 7 ja equal to 0. Now we have to apply factorization. So 7 4 ja 28, yeah, got it. 4x square plus 28x minus x minus 7 is equal to 0. We can take 4x common. This is x plus 7 minus 1 common. X plus 7 is equal to 0. X plus 7 is equal to 0, or 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 7 and x is equal to plus 1 by 4. So we have more two values. Already we given a minus 8 comma 2. So now take the number line. This is 0. What is minimum? Minus 8. What is maximum? 2. Now you have to check. Is minus 7 lies between minus 8 to? You have to check. Yeah. Somewhere here minus 7. And 1 by 4? Perfectly somewhere here minus, plus 1 by 4. So for this type of questions, first you have to find the derivation, make 0, you will get x values. You have to check how many values of x lies between the given boundary first of all. So here two values are lying between the boundaries, na? Then we can consider these two also important. If one of the two values not lies between this boundary, you no need to take that value, just leave that value. Consider what is the between value, that is only enough. Now here two values are lying between the boundary, that's why what you have to do, therefore we have x values. The least value is minus 8, then minus 7, then 1 by 4, then 1 by 2. Now for each value of x you have to substitute in the function. So first one, f of minus 8 we have to find, and then f of 7 minus 7 we have to find, and then f of 1 by 4 we have to find, and then f of 1 by 2 we have to find. Just f of minus 8 means what you have to do? Substitute minus 8 here in this question. 8 into x cube minus 8 whole cube, 81 into minus 8 whole square, 42 into minus 8 is equal to, you will get some value. And here 8 into minus 7 whole cube plus 81 into minus 7 whole square, 42 into minus 7 minus 8. And here 8 into 1 by 4 whole cube plus 81 into 1 by 4 minus 42 into 1 by 4 minus 8. And here 8 into 1 by 2 whole cube square, yeah, 1 by 2 whole cube plus Huh?
1/4 1 by అక్కడ 2 ఉంది.
8 into 1 by 4 whole cube, 81 into 1 by 4 whole square, 42 into
2 value 1/2.
okay, not 1 by 2, right, thank you. This is 2, right? This is 2, so 2 cube, 81 into 2 square, minus 42 into 2, minus 8 is equal to, you will get some values here. I will tell you the values, already I saw it in the paper, just a minute. So yeah, for minus 8, 1416. Next, tell me what is for minus 7?
1511.
And then what about 1 by 4?
1/4 minus 13.31.
What about 2?
296.
296. So these are the values. If you observe, out of all these, this is minimum, very small value. Since negative, na, this is the absolute minimum, and from all these, the maximum value is this one only. This is the maximum. So absolute minimum is equal to minus 13.31. Absolute maximum value is equal to 1511. So this is the process to find absolute minimum, absolute maximum of a function given with some boundaries. Okay, so next more two questions there. I will explain in next video. So please share to maximum, and if any doubt, send message. Thank you.